Hello guys, welcome to the SQL 2016 CTB2 installation. I'm running Windows 10 technical preview version with 64-bit 4 GB RAM. As you know, 2016 is not yet released to manufacturing, so I'm just showing you how to install the basic version. I've downloaded from the Microsoft. Now I'm mounting it. Okay, running as administrator. Let it come. My laptop is not high end. It's just have a core to duo processor, 4 GB RAM. You can see it's getting started. Starting off with the features in Node2 SQL. There are mainly 7 features. I'll explain it on the way. You can either install it as a new installation or adding a cluster. There are so many options compared to the older versions. I go with the older standalone installation. uh, okay, you can either install as evaluation or express. I'm going with evaluation. If you have a product key, you can enter it, of course. Just click there. I'll accept the terms. Turn on telemetry. We will give you the Microsoft the usage. I don't want that. Regarding the prerequest, you have to install Java client version at least 8, update 45, .NET Framework 3.5, .NET Framework 4.6, and Visual Studio Shell. Okay, I go with the feature installation. Here, all features with default is another option. Okay, either you can select all and go click next, but I'll explain. I'm only installing only the basic SQL services. I will not be installing analysis services. Reporting services not needed. Reporting service, if you are using SharePoint, you can add in for SharePoint. Data quality not needed. Integration I'm not using for the time being. Distributor replay controller, if you're using, you can install, of course. Then documentation components, I'm not needing it, so I'll take it off. Here the new one is the poly based query service. It's a new feature, but I'm not currently installing. Then data quality service, if you want, you can install, of course. Okay, I'll run that. Okay, before you have to install the Visual Studio 2010 shell. It requires the service pack 1 update, so you will get a message like this. So go to the link mentioned in the pop-up, so you will be able to download the Visual Studio. I'm currently installing it. Let it complete. Okay, talking about the features, it has query store, one of the new features which will help you out during the server changes. Means the query optimizer, every time you have to optimize your query according to the version of the SQL server. This time it will try to automate that process for you to help you out to optimize the query, even if you are shifting from 2012 or 2014. The second one is the poly based query. It's mainly for the high big data, to tackle the Hadoop. Hadoop is one way to store data. Okay, I'll explain it later. I'll go. You can either go with the default instance or the name instance. I am here going with the default instance for the time being. Coming back to the Hadoop, it's easier for Hadoop to tackle the big data. So for Microsoft, that didn't have that much features till now. So poly based query is one of the features to tackle it. You can use administrator account up here to make the instant file initialization enabled. If you're using any other account or local system, it's okay with me, but if you're in an environment, if you have proper system admin and proper network admin, you may have trouble with that. I'll go with automatic for all the services. The validation error, because I have to, I didn't enable the administrator, of course. Okay, it's going on. I'm entering the passwords. Then there's one new feature called stretch database. Like you can store half your rows in the Azure or half in the physical SAN. So the SQL will detect where this data is located and help you out when you're querying out. I'll go with the mixed mode. You can add the current user. I'll add administrators also. The next major feature is like the addition of JSON support. Over the years, JavaScript documentation, JSON is being highly useful to SQL versions. The data directories, if you want to change, you can change. I'm going with the default data directories. Also, the file stream access. If you want to enable, you can add. I'm not enabling it. Okay, I'll go with the next. Okay, that's it. We can go with the install. If you want, you get the entire detailed report. Let it go. It may take some time to complete. I'm calculating it. Since this is a technical preview, it may run into problems in between, that the package is missing, like that. Two more features, like always encrypted, and of course the in-memory enhancements, which was introduced in last version. The in-memory has been optimized to allow more columns to be stored. The always encrypted allows you to encrypt row by row, which gives you data more security. It roughly took me around 1 hour. I faced some installation cap missing issue, so I have to re-download and reinstall again. That was okay. You definitely want to try it out. There's so many new features. I have to try it out, of course. Okay, that was the installation. Let us start the instance. SSMS. It's getting readied, so I'll take the other way. You may not have seen the Windows 10 yet, but do this. Okay, here we go. This the management studio starting. If you are a SQL CMD person, you can start like that. No issues. The high availability has been optimized, and more number of secondary replicas has been added. It has been raised from 8 to 12, I guess. It's a bit slow. Let's wait for it. The official 2016 might be releasing on March 2016 or April. I'll go log in with the SA login. We go connect. Yeah, I'm in. Okay, you can see the version is 13.0.2008. So that's it. Thanks for watching.